The first night, lots of things buried deep within my psyche, both mentally and physically, came to the surface. It was like I was an observer looking at myself, and tears flowed to the point I could have soaked the shirt I was wearing.
So the other day we were doing a live meeting for our Patreon members, and William shared some incredible, interesting information about a 2.5 gram mushroom trip that he just did really recently. And people were curious, like, what does it feel like? Why are you doing this? What benefits are you getting out of it, or what do you want to get out of it? And he shared so much with us during this live meeting. It was just amazing. William is a relatively new member to Patreon. I think he's only been with us probably for a couple months now. But he's bringing so much energy to this Patreon family. And I asked him if he would do me a favor. Could you just record several minutes of like what it was like, what it felt like, what benefits you got out of this for my podcast? And he graciously did that. Now, what I did, I hid his image a little bit. You can see him a little bit, but I darkened it up, and because he wants to be very careful. When we do our Patreon live meetings, we agree that everything is totally confidential. Nothing is shared. Nothing is recorded. So it's very safe there. But here, since we're in a more or less a public podcast area, I wanted to go ahead and protect him, so you won't be able to see him really well if you are watching it on YouTube. And if you're listening to it, then it doesn't matter anyway. But I want to share his thoughts with you over the next 5 minutes or so. I'll let him come back on, and then right after that, I'll recap and let you know what I think and where we should go from here, and how I think that 2026, which we're just about getting into, could really be the best year of your life. So before I do that, though, let's go ahead and let William talk, and then I'll be right back with you.
So I did a 2.5 gram trip Friday. I had severe complex PTSD and deep emotional and mental wounds with an awful, ugly self-image. I definitely experienced a lot of lightheadedness. Oh, I would say for maybe about the first hour and a half. And then, after everything stabilized, I had slight visuals where things would be kind of morphing just a little bit, moving around and whatnot. And the first night, lots of things buried deep within my psyche, both mentally and physically, came to the surface. It was like I was an observer looking at myself, and tears flowed to the point I could have soaked the shirt I was wearing. It felt so cleansing and purifying that I did it again the next night. The same thing happened. I felt like lifetimes of weight had been lifted from deep within me, and felt an unconditional love and compassion from something I can only describe as divine flowing to and through me. I noticed I could finally be present, and the strong sense of fight or flight had lifted. And even when triggered, I was no longer strangled by it, but could somehow peacefully observe it from a much calmer and relaxed place. My main intentions were really just to be open at whatever comes up, or whatever the universe wants to reveal to me, if anything. And my desire, actually, for wanting to do a larger dose, is I've noticed that I feel a lot more connected to everything. I feel the unity in all things. My emotional connections with like animals are very well heightened during larger doses. And it's almost like I can communicate. I have 2 beautiful cats, and I can sense what they're feeling and what their intentions are normally. With my wife as well, I can see, when she's triggered or whatever she's going through, it is definitely magnified. And so I would say my intuitive nature is definitely heightened during these larger doses, and that's really why I enjoy them. Back in the beginning, I was having a lot of trouble with complex post traumatic stress syndrome, and I had a really terrible self image of myself. This all stemmed from childhood, and I noticed, after some hours, that all of this stuff came up, and tears just started flowing. And I realized that all of these things that I'd been trying to push away were starting to become integrated. And, the symptoms of dementia, ADHD, depression, anxiety, and complex PTSD have only become memories now. No longer a pleasant experience. I started getting deeply meditative and experienced ego dissolution often on larger doses, and seemed to be very empathic and emotionally in tune with whomever, people or animals. To make a long story short, instead of feeling like a separate person with something missing, mushrooms have given me the ability to feel like a complete human being now. So I definitely like the macro doses, just because I like the experience. They're beautiful. Microdosing is definitely awesome. I wouldn't recommend trying to go to work on a macro dose, but on a micro level, it's been pretty cool too. The main thing I got out of this trip and all of the other ones was, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. We're all connected. Be authentic, to thine own self be true, basically. And there you have it.
Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, be authentic. This is the kind of stuff that psilocybin, magic mushrooms, teaches us. We become better people. We become better connected to others. And when everybody on the planet, if that's possible, can be actually connected to everyone else, how great of a world would this be? Well, we're starting this. We're making a dent in it, at least. We've got a long way to go, but the place to start is to start with yourself. Start with yourself. Be a better person. Be kind. And yes, this is what the mushrooms teach us. I feel, after having microdosed for 4.5 years, I totally feel like a different person. I'm definitely kinder. I definitely can feel, as William said, he feels empathic. I feel energy from other people. I feel energy from animals. Can you imagine if we were all doing this, everyone on the planet? It would be a peaceful society. But, we've got work to do. But again, we can start with us. Start with you. Become that person that you've always dreamed of being. And as William said at the end, you don't have to do this on a macrodose. You can do this on microdosing. It does work. I am proof of that. I've done some larger doses, but my main thing is microdosing, and it absolutely works. And you can go about your business every day. You don't feel like you're, high or tripping or anything like that. You go about your normal day, microdosing. Well, I want to thank William from the bottom of my heart for doing this little special video for us. What we do on Patreon stays in Patreon, and nobody ever sees it unless you're actually in that Patreon family. But we went outside of it a little bit, keeping his identity totally confidential, and he did this for us. William, like I said, he brings a tremendous amount of energy to the Patreon live meetings, which, by the way, we're doing one tonight. It's going to be really awesome because we're getting towards the holidays now, and this is going to be a very special live meeting. So if you're not in yet, check the show notes, and there's still time to get in, and you don't want to miss the live meetings that we do. We do them almost every week now. A live meeting. They go for about 1 hour long. They're on Zoom. So it's something you really don't want to miss. These are life-changing because I can't even explain to you. If you thought this was pretty good, what William did, just a 5-minute little video clip, then you've got to check out how he is during our live meetings, and so full of love and compassion and humility. And not only William, but everybody that shows up to these live meetings on Patreon. It's an amazing family that we've cultivated over quite some time now, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. We do have some room for some new members if you like. I don't know if it's always going to be this way, because as we get too big, or as if we do get too big, I should say, I'm going to go ahead and start a waiting list. Also, if you do want to get into Patreon, you can actually sign up for an entire year in advance, and you'll get 2 months free if you want to do that. So it's something that we got going on right now. You just pay for a year in advance, but you only pay for 10 months instead of 12, which is pretty darn cool. And it's just, the benefits are just, I can't even explain, but I would say everyone, or as many people as possible in this Patreon family, or we're looking to make our lives the best ever in 2026. And we're talking about this a lot, and we've got some things going on that, again, I don't think you're going to want to miss. It's just something very, very special. So much love in this family. If you're walking alone, why do you need to walk alone anymore? Why do you need to be alone when we have a group of people that are all willing to help out? And new members are welcome, and all of a sudden, after a little bit of time, new members become older members and more well known, and and then more new members come in. It's just such a beautiful thing. You can tell by my smile. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can tell by my smile that I live for this Patreon family that we have, because it's just such a great group of people. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Everything's in the show notes and on my website, microdoseu.com. So check it out if you're so inclined. Yes, it's a paid platform, and yes, we are welcoming new members. However, like I've said before, we're not looking for somebody that comes in and leaves after a month, because that's just not really what this family is about. Families stay together. We're here to help each other. And that's what we invite you to do. So again, in the show notes is a link, and also on my website, microdoseu.com. I promise you, I'm going to be getting back to some episodes where I answer. I've got so many questions accumulating, and I feel bad, but there's some things I just wanted to do before the holidays and before the new year to share with you that I think are so important. But I promise you, I'm not missing any questions. I'm holding on to all of them. I will get them answered, especially as we get into 2026. I'll get them all answered for you. But in the meantime, just keep in mind, we have a brand new episode that comes out here every Wednesday. I am Dr. Dave. I don't think I even introduced myself at the beginning, because I was just so excited about this. And as I say on the end of every episode, I do love you. You've got a community here. Please don't forget that. We're with you. We're all walking this together.